I chose Captain James Cook as my explorer, as he was the first European explorer to find the east coast of Australia. Captain James Cook's discovery of Australia is the reason that we are all here today. Cook was born on the 7th of November 1728 in Martin, United Kingdom. At 18 years old, he became a member of the Royal Navy. In 1768, James Cook was given command of a ship called the Endeavour, which he set off in on his first journey on August the 26th. On this adventure, his main goal was to help astronomers find the distance of the sun from the Earth while looking at the planet Venus. However, on this trip, he was able to discover Tahiti and New Zealand, the Great Barrier Reef, and the Pacific Ocean. On 19th of April 1770, Captain James Cook and his crew were the first Europeans to see the east coast of Australia. They entered Botany Bay, where he found all sorts of interesting animals and plants, including the kangaroo, and he also met the native people of Australia. Captain Cook's third and final voyage, 1776-1780. On this trip, Cook had a secret mission to find the Northwest Passage between Britain and the Pacific that would become a quicker trade path. Here he searched with no luck, but Cook did find the Hawaiian Islands. Captain Cook was killed on 14th of February 1779 in Hawaii. Out of all of his journey, he is most famous for mapping the east coast of Australia, as this is what paved the way for British settlement 18 years later.